The Yamaha R15S stands as a masterpiece of engineering, blending race-inspired performance with everyday practicality. As it sits in a luxurious showroom, the stunning design, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic fairings immediately capture attention. Every detail reflects Yamaha's dedication to speed, precision, and innovation. The glossy paintwork gleams under the ambient lighting, emphasizing the bold R-Series DNA that defines this machine. With every curve and edge sculpted for performance, the R15S is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power and speed. At the heart of this beast lies a 155cc liquid-cooled engine, designed to deliver thrilling performance while maintaining efficiency. Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) system ensures smooth power delivery across all RPM ranges, providing the perfect balance between acceleration and fuel economy. Whether cruising through city streets or pushing limits on open highways, the R15S responds with precision and power. The fuel-injected system enhances combustion efficiency, ensuring seamless throttle response and superior mileage. The 6-speed gearbox, coupled with an assist and slipper clutch, offers effortless gear shifts, reducing rider fatigue while enhancing control. The aggressive twin LED headlights give the Yamaha R15S a striking presence, illuminating the road with powerful brightness. The sleek, aerodynamic windscreen adds to its sporty appeal while reducing wind resistance at high speeds. The muscular fuel tank provides a confident grip, allowing riders to take sharp corners with ease. At the rear, the sharp LED taillight and upswept exhaust add to its racing-inspired character. Every element of this bike is designed to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Built on a lightweight yet rigid deltabox frame, the R15S offers outstanding handling and stability. This frame architecture ensures precise control, allowing riders to lean into turns with confidence. The aluminum swingarm further enhances agility, making it a dream to ride on both twisty roads and straight stretches. Whether navigating through tight urban traffic or taking on long highway rides, the R15S provides an unmatched riding experience. Suspension plays a crucial role in comfort and control, and the R15S is equipped with telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock absorber. This setup ensures smooth handling over rough roads, absorbing bumps and providing a stable ride. The wide radial rear tire enhances grip, offering superior traction for both dry and wet conditions. This combination of stability, grip, and comfort makes every ride exciting and secure. When it comes to braking, Yamaha leaves no room for compromise. The R15S features a powerful disc brake setup at both ends, ensuring precise and responsive braking. The inclusion of single-channel ABS provides added safety by preventing wheel lock-up during sudden braking, giving riders confidence even in emergency situations. With superior stopping power and enhanced control, the R15S ensures a safe and thrilling ride. Step closer, and the Yamaha R15S reveals its advanced digital instrument cluster. The fully digital console provides real-time information, including speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and a shift light indicator. The backlit display remains clear and visible under all lighting conditions, ensuring that riders stay informed at all times. Every detail is designed to enhance the riding experience, offering both functionality and style. Ergonomics play a vital role in rider comfort, and the Yamaha R15S is designed to accommodate different riding styles. The single-piece seat offers superior cushioning for both rider and pillion, making it comfortable for long journeys. The well-positioned handlebars and rear-set footpegs create a sporty yet relaxed posture, reducing fatigue on extended rides. Whether on a weekend road trip or a daily commute, the R15S ensures maximum comfort without compromising on its aggressive stance. The deep and powerful exhaust note of the R15S adds to its thrilling character. Every rev of the engine delivers a satisfying sound, resonating with the spirit of racing. Whether at a standstill or accelerating on an open road, the sound of the R15S commands attention and excitement. It's a bike that not only performs exceptionally but also leaves a lasting impression. Fuel efficiency remains a key highlight of the Yamaha R15S. Despite its high-performance capabilities, the optimized fuel injection system ensures that riders get the most out of every drop of fuel. Yamaha's advanced technology allows the R15S to offer an excellent balance between power and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those who seek both thrill and practicality. Safety is a priority, and Yamaha has integrated multiple features to enhance rider security. From the superior chassis design to the high-traction tires and advanced braking system, every element of the R15S is crafted for stability and control. The LED lighting setup improves visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring safe rides at night. The aerodynamic fairings not only contribute to speed but also enhance stability at high velocities, making every ride smooth and controlled. As the Yamaha R15S stands proudly in the showroom, surrounded by luxury and elegance, it represents the pinnacle of sports bike engineering. The illuminated showroom name on the wall adds to the premium ambiance, highlighting the exclusivity of this machine. The polished floor reflects the sleek design of the R15S, emphasizing its status as a masterpiece of innovation. Owning the Yamaha R15S is more than just having a motorcycle, it's about embracing a lifestyle of speed, precision, and adventure. It's a bike built for those who push boundaries and seek the ultimate riding experience. The seamless connection between rider and machine ensures an exhilarating journey every time. The Yamaha R15S is a symbol of excellence, combining cutting-edge technology with race-inspired performance. Whether tearing through city streets or hitting the highway, it delivers an experience that is both thrilling and unforgettable. Yamaha continues to set new benchmarks in the world of motorcycles, and the R15S is a testament to their commitment to innovation and quality. The road ahead is calling, and the Yamaha R15S is ready to conquer it. Unleash the racer in you and experience the thrill of riding like never before. Yamaha R15S, where passion meets performance.